We're about to do a crash test of this suspension, the turns. Okay, Matt has a where I made this bumper right here. Set it on. Now Matt is going to pull it, probably throw it up or something. He's gonna run as fast as he can. Ready? Just throw it or do something. Like run and just do like a let go. Like kind of like slam it against the floor. Whatever you want, just to make instruction. So go. Not against the wall. Can't do it against the wall. Go. Oh, there's something happened. Okay. Again. Okay, that was my turn. Now you're recording. You're recording. My turn. Keep it on the top. Okay, one time. But it's definitely broken. Fun. Excuse me? That's how you just split it in half. And oh, dude, you broke the piston. Dude, you literally broke the piston. How much do you think this is gonna fix? About half an hour. Now, it's split in half. Put the pieces that go up, get the other one there. Yeah. Definitely split in half. Here's the back portion. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you, bless you. Here's the front portion.